Welcome back to Bloom. We are rounding third on New Year's, which means it's about to be resolution season. And here to help us make sure that this is the year we actually stick with them past January is Hollywood nutritionist Haylie Pomroy. Haylie, how do you actually make the right resolution that's realistic?
I think one thing that you've got to do is add pleasure to the menu. You know, pleasure stimulates the metabolism and guilt is fattening. And so if you're planning a year of abstaining, of fasting, of doing some crazy keto diet, you're going to fall off the wagon. You've got to turn towards food, delicious, decadent food that you can enjoy and that can actually stimulate your rate of burn so that you lose weight, but you gain a lot of health.
One buzzy phrase people keep throwing around is the faster metabolism. How can we contribute to having one that'll help us lose weight if that's something people want to achieve to feel healthier?
So we want to remember that the metabolism affects every aspect of our life, not just burning fat for fuel, but also building healthy bone, hair, skin, nails. So the faster your metabolism, or I would say the more efficient your metabolism is, the better or the healthier you're going to be overall. The most important thing is the metabolism is nutrient dependent. So you've got to use real whole foods and strategic targeted micronutrients to actually speed up that rate of burn. It's not about doing less for your body. It's about doing more.
Well, one thing I want more of is some mocktails, and I understand that you
Yes.
are helping us with a Bloody Mary mocktail. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not a huge Bloody Mary guy, but I know a lot of people are. So I want to give it to them and help them out. How do you make your Bloody Mary mocktails?
So it's really important that you use, again, whole foods. I use turkey bacon to make it a little special. Olives are great for the metabolism. They're really good for the gallbladder. They help emulsify fat. And if you're a person that has a hard time with the maybe acidity of tomatoes, a little food science here, there's a reason why we add celery. It's alkalinizing. It helps the body. It's got a ton of potassium and it helps the body burn through. Like, let's say a little vodka accidentally fell into your mocktail. You might want to do a fast metabolism cleanse. You might want to detox. But most importantly is you want to turn towards foods that are actually going to stimulate your rate of burn. And again, remember, have fun with food. Have fun with your diet. It's to sustain life and to enhance life, not to be something that you're afraid of. But this is delicious. We've got all kinds of mocktails. Maybe you would be more into my pina colada or my mango margarita. Does that sound better?
Yes, that is more my style.
This one's really good, though.
Well, I will say what is good about Bloody Mary is that it's a great way to get you to eat a salad because they basically just dangle one over the top of it.
They do. And, you know, you can add everything to your Bloody Mary. You know, the turkey bacon helps stabilize your protein. So if you are going to consume alcohol over the holiday season, you're going to want to couple that with some protein and some healthy fats. That's why I always add the olives to the Bloody Mary. All of these recipes are available on my website. We've got a mocktail for everyone.
Well, I do want to get to another recipe you have. That's something else people don't think about as being particularly healthy, but it actually can be, and that's chili. How do you prepare a chili to be healthy?
Yeah, we actually have chili cook-offs with our fast metabolism. And the book right here has this and several other chili recipes. And for your viewers today, we have a limited amount of copies that we're going to give away for free. If you go to HayliePomroy.com/free book, we've got a couple of these for free. We've sold millions of copies, logged millions of pounds of weight loss together. And you can go grab a free book right now. But chili is a unique food that we a lot of times think of comfort food. We think of maybe making you feel bulky. But when you cook it with a food scientist approach, you can actually burn through those complex carbohydrates, which are great for mood, energy, the immune system, elevate that, not only feel full, but that kind of bright-eyed and bushy-tailed hormones. The trick to chili is making sure it's packed with superfoods and what we call gastro herbs. So you're going to want to add things like cilantro or parsley that helps you not be gassy with all the beans. The other thing that's really important is whether you're going to use beef or buffalo or turkey, is you want to cook your protein with a lot of spices. So spices are going to help your body break down. These are cracked chili peppers, and the white onions will make it sweeter. The red onions will make it spicier. So if you like your chili really spicy, also if you use a lot of black or red beans, you're going to want to use red onions. If you use a lot of white beans and lentils, you're going to want to use white onions. But it's how you prepare the food that allows you to extract the micronutrients so that you can actually burn it for fuel and grab a little fat and scavenge that while you're at it. We focus on this. This is my kitchen. This is our pharmacy. This is the classroom in our community. And we focus on making food that can actually enhance your rate of burn and stimulate the metabolism.
Sounds good. Haylie Pomroy, thanks much for your time. We appreciate it.
Grab a free book. It's very limited time. I hope you guys enjoy, and happy holiday season. May you be filled and enriched with nothing but health this year.
Thank you, Haylie, everybody. We'll be right back with more Bloom.